Legal practitioners express divergent opinions over the disagreement between the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, and some political parties on the provisions of the new Electoral Act on matters regarding nomination of candidates. Trust TV's Shafiu Suleiman reports that while the nation's electoral umpire remains firm on its resolve to adhere to the provisions of the Act, the political parties are mounting pressure on INEC to accept their candidates. The report.
Section 81, subsection 1 of the Electoral Act 2022 empowers INEC to monitor the conduct of political parties' primary. The electoral umpire also relies on its monitoring department to build a data bank of candidates that emerge through valid political party primaries.
The position of Section 115, subsection D, of the Electoral Act is unambiguously very clear. That provision prohibits the possibility of you to be a dual candidate in two electoral experiments.
Because I've said that what constitutes nomination is winning the primaries of a political party. Once you win, you are validly nominated by that process, and therefore you are the validly nominated candidate of the party.
While Section 29, subsection 1 of the same electoral law says only the names of validly nominated candidates should find their way into INEC office, some political parties are bent at substituting already nominated candidates in what is perceived to be at variance with the provision of the law.
Section 33 of the Electoral Act provides, and I quote, it says a political party shall not be allowed to change or substitute its candidate whose name has been submitted under Section 29 of this Act, except in the case of death or withdrawal by the candidate.
If it comes to the issue of making a decision out of it, there is a body that the governance system or our own state system has given that authority and that power, and that is the court.
The courts have already started pronouncing in favor of the position of INEC. The position of INEC is very simple. Under sections 31, 32 down to 34, there are only two instances where you can change a candidate as a political party.
The Independent National Electoral Commission is however resolute in its decision to accept only candidates that emerge through acceptable party primaries.
This particular commission is courageous, this particular commission is focused, and we are resolute in terms of our decision to conduct a good election in 2023.
Stakeholders in the polity are of the opinion that political actors should submit themselves to the provisions of the law, even if it's not in their favor, in order not to overheat the polity and undermine the citizens' confidence in the electoral process. Shafiu Suleiman, Trust TV News, Abuja.